Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start the steel work for the glass room. Okay, and now we are going to explain about the beams, columns, what steel we use, and the spacing of the stirrups. Okay, so here shuttering work is done for the complete glass room. The span is 5 meter by 8.20 8.80 cm. Okay, and here we have the beams, and you can see the beams and the cantilever slab and the cantilever beam. Okay, friends, now I will going to explain about the, you can see this area 8.80 meter. You can see the top bars are 416 mm. You can see this is 416 mm top and bottom 416. Okay, here we have 416 bottom and top 416 mm steel. And the side bars, you can see here, this is a side bar which is coming in the center. So this is 12 mm, which we use 2 bars for the side for this beam. Okay, and if you come for the cantilever slab beam, okay, here we have bottom is 20 mm, 2 bars, and 416 mm bottom, 220 and 416 in the bottom, and top 416, and 2 side bars. So this is the cantilever slab which is coming to the position of the steel. And Rupesh, meter batao rinka. So all and it's gas is what, and that bar also you can see like this, all surrounding the column with the steel is coming. It is 16 mm, 8 bars. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, both all the column which is coming 8 bar 16 mm, 60 by 20 the column size. You can see this area 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so the, and from this stirrup to this stirrup, the center is 15 distance. It's here, you can see the distance 15, center, all the stirrups come 15. And here we have the cantilever beam. This is a cantilever slab which is coming. So the beam, we have 2 top 16, 2 bottom 16. This is the projection beam. And the most important thing, when you give the bottom bars, you can see they are 220, and we give one pin. The pin is 25 mm. Then we have 216 bar, 416 bars. Again we have 20 mm on pin to give the spacing between one bar to the other bar. Okay, and here we have the developing length. You can see this L which is coming the developing length for the columns, all the parts. And here also you can see the developing length. You can see this area, this is bending, L bend. It's called the developing length for the beam. Okay, so the span, the beams, we use heavy steel. Now we are putting more bars for the support there. So you can see the structure, how we give the support. So now after that we have the steel for the slab which is coming. The thickness of the concrete is 20 cm, and the steel of the mesh which is coming top and bottom 12 mm bar, center to center 20 mm spacing, and the extra bars will provide on the cantilever slab for this direction to the complete this direction. Okay, and the cantilever, the slab, the steel will be go 1.5 from that part to inside 1.5 meter, or you can give more for the factor of safety. So the beams are ready now. Now we will start our slab mesh work. Okay, so the span, now they are going to finish the beam work here completely. Okay, and the most important thing, And the most important thing, from this part, the bottom steel which is coming, the cantilever's beam, you can see 1.5 inside. You can see this part. Okay, that part to this part. Because here the size of the beam which is coming 20 and the depth is 60, and here the cantilever beam is coming 20 by 25. So that's why we change the design for schedule of the beam. You can see this one. Okay. So same, the top and bottom, they are now putting the steel for this area also, and the 4 top and 4 bottom, the beam steel will come for this area. So now I'll send some photos for the beam design. So now the job is done for the complete beam. After that they will start the mesh work for the slab, then we'll proceed for the concrete. And before proceeding for the concrete, after the mesh, the electrical work and any plumbing, any things are coming, you have to put the sleeves for the electrical conduits and the sleeves for the waters anywhere, and in any AC sleeves. So before that you have to complete the job, then we can proceed for the concrete for this area. So now our glass work is totally completely done for the beam work. Okay, so later I'll upload complete job video for the slab. Thank you friends. For the more views,